in this program, I'm going to create a very simple calculator program. And to do that, I'm going to use an if statement. And if statements are very important in programming. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to create this calculator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the user to input their first number. Please input a number. Okay, and as we talked about in the last video, what I will need the computer to do is I'll need the computer to remember that. So I need to make a variable. Now, the computer's going to need to remember three things. Okay, so they're going to need to, I'm going to make three variables. So I'm going to have x and y. Okay, and then I'm going to ask the user to input a choice. So I'm going to make another one called choice. Okay, so I'm going to first of all, I'm going to say please input a number, and then I'm going to set x to the answer, like so. Okay, so I've stored the answer that they give me. All right, then I'm going to ask again. So I'm going to say ask please input a second number. Oh, can't type today. There we go, and I'm going to set y. There we go, and just set y to the answer. So what I've just done is I've just created a program that asks for a number, and I type in the number. There we go, and as you can see, it gets stored in x, and then I ask for a second number, let's say 9. Okay, and that gets stored in y. Alright, so I've got one more question to ask, which is what does the user want me to do? So what should I do now? Okay, and it's going to say 1 to add, 2 to subtract, and 3 to multiply. There we go. So the user is going to input either 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so I'm going to store what they choose in choice. So set choice to answer. So I've got my three variables, and now if I run that again, so let's input the number 5, that goes into x. Let's input a second number, let's input 10 this time. And what should you do? 1 to add, 2 to subtract, and 3 to multiply. Let's do 3 to multiply. Okay, so I've got three variables storing my data, 5, 10, and 3. Alright, so now what I need to do is get the computer to either add, subtract, or multiply. Now to do that, I need to use an if statement. Okay, so here's the if statement. Alright, so, and there's two things I need to do here. I need to put something in here, and I need to tell the computer what I want to do. Okay, so what I need to do here is put a conditional statement into here. Okay, and that conditional statement is either going to be true or false. And if it's true, it's going to do what is in here. Okay, so I'm going to go to operators, and I'm going to use an equals. Okay, and I'm going to say, look, if choice equals 1, all right, which is what I've got up here, 1 to add. Then I want to add x and y. So then I'm going to say, let's say, here we go. Let's go to looks. I'm going to say, and then we can grab an operator, and let's put x and y in here. So say, and let's get a join. Alright, so then we can say, here we go, we can put the answer is, there we go, and we can put that in there. Okay, so basically what I've said here is if the choice equals 1, so if they've inputted 1 and we've remembered that in choice, okay, then this will happen. It will work out the answer by adding together x and y. Okay, if choice is not equal to 1, it won't do